Guys, it's Elon Mogilner, Ageless Motion. So it's day 7 in the 22 Rise Up Challenge, right? So as I promised, what is 22 Rise Up? Generally speaking, it's a spherical pattern to go to the floor and back up, right? So and I will link all kind of tutorials that are already made on specific stages of the 22 Rise Up. So the idea is to get down to the floor, right? Get to the floor and back up. It works getting up. Why is getting up important? You can say seniors, it's not important for them to get up quickly. It's even dangerous, right? They can go with a chair if they fell and they have the power. If they don't want to wait for family to help them or an ambulance, they will just use something and slowly push up and rise up, right? So why doing this action? Why? Because the same thing that as a wrestler, it takes a lot of weight, squats and push up 600 kilos. Why? To get stronger. So you want to make what's strong, not only the muscles, but also the response, the dynamic response of the blood pressure, right? When we are getting older, a lot of us have issues, right? We get syncope. We've got what it's called postural hypotension. We go up and the blood that need to pump everything to the brain, right? The adjustment in order to reach to the satisfied requirement, it's not there. We see black and we fall, right? We fall. So 22 Rise Up. You put the leg in front. The crossing hand is reaching in a circular way. You don't do it with the hand. The center, right? You're doing it with this area. You need to develop in your self-image, in your body. You need to understand that you have this area, and you can, if you bring your attention to this area, you can change the neuromuscular activation of the muscles. You move differently, okay? I will make more videos on that, and there are a lot of plenty other videos that are already created on the subject. 22 Rise Up. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Yes? No? We can pull around. That was a 22, right? You can pull around. You can fall backwards. You can go forward, right? You can go with the laser blade, right? You can do all kinds of variations, right? You can go in a backward hold and jump, right? Whatever you want. But the idea is that you have the relationship with the flow. You have that interaction that you know, no matter what happens, right? You can modulate an entrance point, and you know how to walk, right? How to walk with the flow. Peace with gravity and the flow. So please ask me questions. As you know, I'm also a physical therapist, and I taught this and I'm continuing to teach it as a rehabilitation and prevention for people. So total hip replacement, total knee replacement, all of other pathologies, right? Let's be proactive. Okay? So thank you very much for being here and having the patience for you, the patience to try it, even though it's challenging. It was Elon Mogilner, Ageless Motion.